There is a free Google tool sitting in plain sight right now. It can generate professional headshots so convincing that paying clients cannot tell them from a real studio session. Most people who stumble across it think, wow, that is cool, and then they close the tab. I want to show you what happens when you do not close the tab. Hey, what is up? It is Paul. I make content breaking down free AI tools that solo operators can actually build service businesses with. No expensive software, no bloated overhead, just leverage. And today, the tool we are talking about is Google Imagen 3. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to the free prompts I use to turn AI tools like this into actual income. And no, I won't try and sell you Go high level because there's free tools out there now that do the same thing just as good. So let me frame the real problem first. The demand for professional headshots is enormous, and it is not going anywhere. LinkedIn has hundreds of millions of profiles on it. The majority of those have a photo that looks like it was snapped in a parking garage on a Tuesday. Real estate agencies need updated images every time a new agent comes on board. Dental offices, law firms, staffing companies, financial advisors, all of them need headshots on a rolling basis. And they genuinely hate how slow and expensive the current process is. Booking a photographer takes weeks in most markets. The session itself runs anywhere from $100 to several $100s per person. Then you wait on editing. If someone new joins the team next month, you start that cycle all over again. That friction is why so many businesses skip it entirely, or they settle for something that looks completely unprofessional. There is a gap between what businesses need and what they are willing to pay for the old way. That gap is where this opportunity lives. Here is where things start to get interesting. What I want to walk you through today is something I call the Headshot Arbitrage Loop. The idea is straightforward. On one side, you have a free professional-grade AI image tool most business owners have never heard of. On the other side, you have a local market that is consistently underserved on fast, affordable headshots. You connect those two things, you charge a fair rate for your time and expertise, you keep the margin, that is the loop. Run it once, learn it, run it again for the next client. Google Imagen 3 is the engine that makes the whole thing work. So let me walk you through how Google Imagen 3 actually functions. Google DeepMind built it to be one of the most photorealistic text-to-image tools available to the public right now. You access it through a platform called ImageFX, which is part of Google Labs. It is completely free to use. Here's what separates it from the other tools in this space. Most image generators handle objects and scenes fine. Push them toward realistic human subjects and things start to fall apart. Skin tones look artificial. Lighting goes flat. Eyes end up slightly wrong in a way your brain registers immediately. Imagen 3 was specifically trained to fix those problems. It handles natural skin texture, realistic hair detail, and true-to-life lighting gradients at a level that holds up under real scrutiny. That is not a small thing when you need output that could pass for a professional studio photo. When you go in to generate a headshot, prompt structure is everything. You are not just typing headshot and hoping for the best. You are describing the shot the way a photographer would brief an assistant. Something like professional business portrait, soft directional light from the upper left, dark blazer, clean warm tone background, framed from the shoulders up, sharp facial detail, approachable expression. The specificity of your input drives the quality of the output. And here is why that matters. Most business owners have no idea how to write a prompt like that. You do. That knowledge is the actual asset you are selling, not just the final image. Stay with me, because this next piece changes how you think about the whole workflow. Inside Imagen 3, you can also work from a reference image. If a client sends you a decent reference photo, you can anchor the generation around it. Even a phone shot in good light works. The tool keeps the person recognizable while completely transforming everything around them. The background becomes professional. The lighting reads like a studio setup. The framing tightens. What comes back looks like something they paid a photographer to produce. That is the core service you are delivering. I remember feeling overwhelmed by tools like this when I first got started, wondering if the output was actually good enough to charge for or if I was just hyping myself up. That doubt goes away fast. Set a polished Imagen 3 output next to a real studio headshot. Watch someone genuinely struggle to tell which is which. Most people never realize this part. You do not need a massive client list to build something real here. You need a repeatable offer and a focused target market. Think about which businesses around you have a predictable, ongoing need for headshots baked right into their normal operations. Insurance agencies, accounting practices, property management companies, these organizations onboard new staff on a regular cycle. Every new hire needs a profile photo for the company website, for internal systems, for their LinkedIn. offer them a standing arrangement, a set number of headshots per month at a fixed rate. Now, you are not constantly chasing new business. You are maintaining a recurring relationship with a client who already knows what you deliver. The standard rate for professional headshot photography runs anywhere from $75 to $200 per person in most markets. You can operate below that with a faster turnaround and zero overhead. Businesses will pay for that value, not because AI is exciting to them, because you solved a real operational problem faster and cheaper than their current alternative. That is what services businesses actually pay for. And Google Imagen 3 lets you do all of that from a laptop. No staff, no rented space. You can also layer in add-ons. Offer a LinkedIn banner redesign with every headshot order. Offer a bio rewrite. Now you are a complete personal branding package, not just a headshot service. Each add-on increases the value of the same client relationship. And listen, if you have not already dropped a like and commented below, do that now. I will reply with a link to the free prompts I use to turn tools like this into real income. Let me give you a concrete picture of how this plays out. Imagine a small staffing agency that places contract professionals in corporate environments. They have 14 active consultants, and the company website has a mix of outdated headshots and missing profile photos. The office manager has been meaning to sort this out for months, but she cannot justify coordinating a full photo shoot for a team that works remotely across different cities. You come in with a clean offer. She sends you one good reference photo from each consultant. You run the Headshot Arbitrage Loop. You deliver polished professional headshots within 48 hours, formatted for both the web and LinkedIn. No scheduling conflicts, no studio booking, no waiting on an editor. She says yes because you made a recurring annoyance simple and affordable. That is the loop in motion. Google Imagen 3 running in the background the whole time. Here's the twist almost nobody talks about. The prompt library you build while doing this work becomes more valuable every time you use it. Your lighting setups, background styles, framing templates, all of it compounds. You are not starting from scratch with each new client. You are refining a system that gets faster and more consistent over time. And because Google keeps updating Imagen 3 on the back end, your output quality improves. No extra effort required on your end. Back when I was trying to get something going from my brother's garage with no budget and no connections, a tool like this would have changed everything. I would have built this in a week. The barrier to entry here is genuinely low. The edge is in knowing the tool exists and actually running the play before everyone else figures it out. Imagine what your operation looks like 30 days from now if you spend just this week building out your prompt library inside Google Imagen 3. Most people will read this and think about it. You are going to actually do it. 3 or 4 background styles dialed in, lighting setups that work across different complexions, a delivery process that runs under an hour per client. That is a real service with real margins and no monthly software cost. Built with a free tool most people have never opened. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to those free prompts I use to turn AI tools into actual income. And again, I won't try and sell you Go High Level because there's free tools out there now that do the same thing just as good. The window here is still early. Let us go.